leadership behavior will remain important always. People look up to leadership for a behavior which is admired by external and internal customers. When you look at, do you respect your manager or do you admire your manager, that makes a lot of difference. People respect out of pressure, respect out of hierarchy, but they don't admire out of hierarchy and pressure. So when we say we really admire the leadership, that reflects on they truly think from their heart and they have genuine respect, and that only comes with your nil saying doing gap, whether your leader behaves in that way. So this is for granted, and this is truly sacrosanct for all times to come. Leaders have to behave like that. So that's first part. Coming on the second part of your commitments to the customer, that is and following the culture of ethics and values are always true, and that is going to be holding a strong foundation for development and progress of the organization. So we don't have any option but to have balance out both for development and growth of the organization. When you are new startup, your learning needs are different. When you are maturing as an organization, your learning needs are different. So when you skill and reskill is something is very, very important, and the ownership is larger. Ownership is on self, whether you are open to reskill yourself, how much self initiative you are taking to reskill yourself to serve the organization better, because you are being trained to do your job. Now when the organization is scaling up amounts into higher level of complexity, increasing geography, higher volume of business, and different typical customers to be handled. And if you are not reskilling yourself as a self-initiative, that something is not going to be admired or appreciated. While organizations do have huge accountability to reskill you, but you have your own accountability to reskill yourself, and also unlearn certain habits, which was acceptable during the startup stage, and really being systemically right and follow the systems and procedures to impact customers. So you really will have to delight customers with your processes, delight customers with your systems and responses, rather than always your individual appearance. In a startup, you have a lot of face value, but once you mature, your system should have much higher value than really your face value. So there you need to unlearn certain habits, but you need to also reskill yourself to deliver the customer better, and that's the key to success in a scaling up organization from a startup.